Physics is often seen as a subject full of complex equations and abstract theories. But, some books manage to make it accessible, engaging, and even inspiring for everyone. Welcome to Großdenken, my friends. In today's video, we'll explore 5 of the best physics books for the general public. These books are written by renowned scientists and authors who have a real gift for explaining the wonders of the universe in a way anyone can understand. Whether you're new to physics or looking to deepen your knowledge, these books are definitely a must-read. I've carefully chosen these books based on their clarity, depth, and ability to spark curiosity. They cover everything from the mysteries of the cosmos to the fundamental laws of nature, without overwhelming you with technical jargon. Before we start, let me remind you to support this channel by subscribing. That would mean a great help. Let's dive in. First on our list is the iconic A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. Published in 1988, this book became a worldwide bestseller because it tackled some of the biggest questions in physics. How did the universe begin? What is the nature of time? What are black holes, and can they disappear? Hawking masterfully explains ideas like the Big Bang, general relativity, and quantum mechanics in a way that's both profound and easy to grasp. What makes this book so special is that it's not just about the science, it's about humanity's attempt to understand the universe. Hawking combines cutting-edge physics with a sense of wonder, making it a timeless classic for anyone curious about the cosmos. Next, we have a true gem, The Feynman Lectures on Physics, Volume 1, by Richard Feynman. Feynman was one of the most brilliant and charismatic physicists of the 20th century. This book is based on his legendary lectures at Caltech, where he introduced physics concepts to students in a way that was engaging and deeply insightful. While this book is more detailed than others on this list, Feynman's clarity and humor make it accessible for curious readers. Volume 1 focuses on the basics of physics, including the laws of motion, energy, and conservation principles, and the interplay between physics and nature. What truly sets this book apart is Feynman's ability to make you feel like you're sitting in his classroom. He doesn't just teach physics, he teaches you how to think like a physicist, making this book invaluable for anyone eager to understand the universe. For something shorter and, honestly, more poetic, I recommend 7 Brief Lessons on Physics by Carlo Rovelli. This book is a concise introduction to modern physics, perfect for readers who want to just dip their toes into the subject. In just 96 pages, Rovelli explores general relativity and quantum mechanics, the nature of time and space, and humanity's place in the universe. What makes this book stand out is Rovelli's ability to weave science with philosophy. He doesn't just explain the laws of physics, he explores what they mean for our understanding of reality. It's a quick, inspiring read that will leave you thinking long after you've finished it. Fourth on our list is the fascinating The Elegant Universe by Brian Greene. This book dives into one of the most ambitious theories in physics, string theory, which suggests that everything in the universe is made up of tiny vibrating strings of energy. Greene also explains how string theory attempts to unify general relativity and quantum mechanics, the concept of extra dimensions beyond the familiar 3, and the implications of string theory for understanding the universe. What makes this book so engaging is Greene's storytelling. He takes some of the most complex and abstract ideas in physics and turns them into a narrative that's exciting and easy to follow. It's perfect for readers who want to explore the cutting edge of theoretical physics without getting lost in the math. Finally, we have Astrophysics for People in a Hurry by Neil deGrasse Tyson. This book is a short, engaging guide to the universe, written for busy people who still want to learn about the cosmos. Tyson covers topics like the origins of the universe, the behavior of dark matter and dark energy, and the role of physics in understanding space and time. What makes this book shine is Tyson's conversational tone and wit. He takes complex topics and makes them relatable, making it a joy to read even for those with no background in physics. It's an excellent starting point for anyone curious about astrophysics. Each of these books offers something unique, from poetic reflections on physics to deep dives into complex theories. They make physics accessible to everyone, regardless of your background. Here's a quick recap of the 5 best physics books for the general public. A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking, a timeless classic that explores the origins and nature of the universe. The Feynman Lectures on Physics, Volume 1, by Richard Feynman, a masterclass in understanding the fundamentals of physics with clarity and humor. 7 Brief Lessons on Physics by Carlo Rovelli, a poetic, thought-provoking journey into the nature of reality. The Elegant Universe by Brian Greene, a fascinating dive into string theory and the quest to unify physics. And Astrophysics for People in a Hurry by Neil deGrasse Tyson, a quick, engaging guide to the universe for busy readers. These books remind us that physics isn't just about equations, it's about understanding the universe and our place in it. Whether you're curious about the Big Bang, black holes, or the fundamental forces of nature, these books will leave you inspired and hungry for more. Have you read any of these books? Which one are you most excited to pick up? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content about science and physics. Until next time, keep reading, stay curious, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.